Hello there. So it's me and the truck again. So now this is a issue against Ford's touchscreen. There we go. So now this is my truck. This is a Ford Ranger 2.0 bi-turbo, 2019 model. Now the touchscreen is a bit funny. It doesn't work when it should, and sometimes when it should work, it just doesn't work. Basically, it's a faulty software issue. As you can see, touching my damn touchscreen, it's not even responding. It's hanged. So how to reset it is, what I do is I press the volume button and the fast forward button. You just hold it for 5 seconds or something. The screen will go black, and this will automatically reset the display, clear it of any problems. Now it's just a nuisance, you know. You pay so much money for your truck, and is this what you get? What you get is a annoying touchscreen. Here's why it's annoying. Cause if you wanna adjust your aircon stuff, it's all in the touchscreen. So if your screen is not working, you can't adjust your aircon, and that's something. That's quite frustrating, to be honest. So Ford, fix your update your software, man. You know, my mom has a Mazda 5 CX-5. The car is 8 years old. Touchscreen has never gave a single problem. After all this, it's never hanged once. Come on, Ford, it's 2019. Don't do this. Update your device. Make it proper.